So now we are going to discuss about the reduction formula. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sin nx dx. Integral 0 to pi by 2 cos nx dx. So for both sin nx dx and cos nx dx we have the same formula, that is n minus 1 by n into n minus 3 by n minus 2 into dot 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 1 by 2 into pi by 2. So if n is even, the last term is 1 by 2. If you get last term is 1 by 2, if you get, you have to stop the reduction formula till that, and with that you have to multiply pi by 2 if n is even. If n is odd, so you have to write the reduction formula n minus 1 by n, n minus 3 by n minus 2 into dot dot dot. If you are getting 2 by 3 as the answer, then you need to stop till that, then the reduction formula is over. Then if n is even and m is even, so both n and m are even, then we have to use the reduction formula as n minus 1 by m plus n, n minus 3 by m plus n minus 2, n minus 5 by m plus n minus 4. The last term will be 1 by m minus 2. Then m minus 1 by m, m minus 3 by m minus 2, m minus 5 by m minus 4, then 1 by 2 into pi by 2. If n is odd and m is any positive integer, n is odd number, and m is any positive integer, either we can have even number or odd number, then the reduction formula 0 to pi by 2 sin mx cos nx dx is equal to n minus 1 by m plus n, n minus 3 by m plus n minus 2, n minus 5 by m plus n minus 4, 2 by m plus 3 into 1 by n plus 1. So we are going to use this formula when n is odd and m is any positive integer. Then if one of m and n is odd, then it is convenient to get the power as cos x as odd. So we have to take the cos x as odd number if m and n is odd. So if m is odd and n is even, then 0 to pi by 2 sin mx cos nx dx, integral pi by 2 sin nx cos mx dx. This will be equal to, so just I want to write this power, just I am changing it, sin power as n and cos power as m. So it will be very convenient to calculate this. We have to use this formula, m minus 1 by n plus m, n minus 3 by n plus m minus 2, m minus 5 by n plus m minus 4, 2 by n plus 3. So so these are the formulas you have to just recollect before doing the problem. So we have 5 formulas. So exercise 9.6, evaluate 0 to pi by 2 sin power 10x dx. So here n is even. So n is even means we have to use the formula n minus 1 by n, n minus 3 by n minus 2, n minus 5 by n minus 3, dot 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 1 by 2 into pi by 2. So here n is equal to 10. So 10 minus 1 is 9 by n is 10. So again I want to find n minus 3. So n is 10, 10 minus 3 is 7. n minus 2, n is 10, 10 minus 2 is 8. Then 5 by 6, 3 by 4, 1 by 2. So whenever you are getting 1 by 2, just you have to stop the formula till that, and you want to write pi by 2 as a last term. So if you cancel everything, you will get the answer as 63 pi by 512. Those 6 and 3 will be cancelled 2 times. So like that we will be cancelling some terms, and 63 pi by 512 is the answer. Now the second one, 0 to pi by 2 cos power 7x dx. So here n is odd. So odd means we have to use n minus 1 by n, n minus 3 by n minus 2, dot 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 2 by 3. So 0 to pi by 2 cos power nx dx. Here n is 7. So 7 minus 1 is 6 by n is 7 dot n minus 3. 6 minus 3 is, 7 minus 3 is 4 by n minus 2. n minus 2 means 7 minus 2 is 5. So simply I can say that if you write the first term, then you reduce two terms in the numerator and both the denominator for all the formulas here also. So if you just fix the first term according to this number, then numerator and denominator must be reduced by two numbers. Then it will be easy to you. So 6 by 7 into 4 by 5 into 2 by 3. So 16 by 35. If you cancel this, you will get the answer. Third one, 0 to pi by 4, sine power 6 2x dx. So here I need sine power nx only. Here I am getting 2x. Here also just look at the limit pi by 4. So both the things can be changed as 0 to pi by 2, because the reduction formula is only applicable when the limit is 0 to pi by 2 only, not for pi by 4 or some other number. So just I want to take this 2x as t. Then this dx will be dt by 2. So this dx can be replaced by dt by 2. So when x is equal to 0, here x is equal to 0 you substitute. So t is equal to 0. When x is equal to pi by 4, you will get t is equal to pi by 2. So limit also can be changed. 0 to pi by 4 can be changed as 0 to pi by 2. Sine power 6, this 2x can be changed as t, because t is equal to 2x. So this dx is changed as dt by 2. So 2 I can take outside. So here I am getting 0 to pi by 2 sine power 6 t dt. So here n is equal to 6. So n is equal to 6 means it is a even number. So even number means what is the formula I have? Even number, this is a formula. N minus 1 by n minus 3 by n minus 2, n minus 5 by n minus 3, dot 1 by 2 into pi by 2, the last term. So here, so n minus 1 means 6 minus 1 by n means 6. So I told you, no, two terms you want to reduce. So 5 minus 2 is 3, 6 minus 2 is 6, 3 minus 2 is 1, 4 minus 2 is 2. Whenever you are getting 1 by 2, then you need to write the last term as pi by 2. As I told already, these terms can be cancelled by 3 table. So this answer will be 5 pi by 64. Then fourth one, 0 to pi by 6 sine power 5 3x dx. So here I want to substitute t is equal to 3x. Then dt will be 3 dx. So dx is equal to dt by 3. So this dx can be changed as dt by 3. So whenever x is equal to 0, t will be also 0. Whenever x is equal to pi by 6, t is equal to pi by 2. So this integration 0 to pi by 6 sine power 5 3x is equal to 1 by 3 0 to pi by 2 sine power 5 to dt. So this is odd number. Odd number means n minus 1 by n. Then 4 minus 2 is 2. Then 5 minus 2 is 3. So whenever you are looking 2 by 3, if it is an odd number, 2 by 3 is the last term. So 8 by 45. Then 8th one, 0 to pi by 2 sine cube theta cos power 5 d theta. So we know that 0 to pi by 2 sine power mx cos power n dx is equal to m minus 1 m minus 3 dot 2 into 1 divided by n minus 1 n minus 3 dot 2 into 1 by m plus n into m plus n minus 2 m plus n minus 4 dot it will goes on. So here m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 5. So you substitute m is equal to 3. So 3 minus 1, 5 minus 5 minus 3 and 5 minus 3 by 3 plus 5, 3 plus 5 minus 2, 3 plus 5 minus 4 by 3 plus 5 minus 6. So here the answer will be 2, 4, 2, 8, 6, 4, 2, 1 by 24. See here, m minus 1, m is 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2 and so whenever you are getting 2 as the answer, then you have to stop it. Then n is equal to 5. Again you have to start this one. 5 minus 1, 5 minus 3. Divided by, here m is 3 plus 5, 8. Again you want to reduce 2. So you want to reduce 4. So like that you want to reduce. So 3 plus 5 minus 6. So till 2 you need to get. So the answer will be 1 by 24.